Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the photos and a recipient. Now start composing. Open your Mail app or webmail and tap Compose or New Message so you can work from the top. Add the recipient and a clear subject line because subject lines help delivery and filtering. Next, choose Attach or Insert and navigate to Gallery, Files, or your Cloud folder. Selecting photos early prevents accidental replies. Once done, you'll confirm file types and sizes before continuing to attach multiple images properly. You're now attaching and preparing the images. Pick them with multi-select or long press to add several at once. Make sure to check the total attachment size. Many mail servers limit messages to 1025 MB, so resize or compress images when necessary, or choose lower resolution copies. If you want recipients to understand context, add captions or brief inline notes for each photo. That helps accessibility and quick scanning. Once the files appear attached, confirm file names and attachment order before moving to final checks. You're almost done. Preview the message and attachment so you catch wrong images or typos, then verify the recipient addresses, CC and BCCs. When everything looks right, tap Send. You'll see a sending indicator or confirmation. If the message won't send, one key troubleshooting step is to use a cloud link instead of attachments. Upload photos to Drive or iCloud and paste a share link with proper permissions. Also retry on a stable network. Compress files or split into multiple emails if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.